Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water signs, your love forecast. What is happening in your love life, your relationships, or your love life, we will see today. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, join us on it. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot. I know many of you are watching but not subscribing. Friends, we are working very hard. It's not easy for me also. I have been working throughout the year trying to keep you all positive. So please subscribe, like, and share, and support us and make our day a very positive one. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, and if you subscribe, like, and share, you may win a free reading at the end of every month. So make sure to subscribe. You can win any month, maybe this, maybe next. It is a regular feature here on Magic Vans Tarot. And friends, let's see what else. 2021 readings I've started. You can buy your own. They are very, very popular. They are very helpful. So make sure to buy yours today. Go through our website, message, email, whatever. I will, if you have already messaged, I'm trying to get back or to reply back to all of you. It's taking me some time, but I'm trying. So let's see first how Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces you are feeling. Then we'll see what's happening in your love life. Four of Swords, you are feeling weight. You are feeling like you're waiting forever. There is nothing really happening much. How Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is feeling. Ten of Cups, you want this Ten of Cups. You want this family. You want this happiness with your person, but things are stuck. You are like, what's happening? Also, the Two of Pentacles, I feel you are a little busy right now at your work or in your career, or you are trying. Which is the best thing to do right now in your life? It is like Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are juggling, you are trying to understand whether someone is good for you or someone is not, whether their family will agree, or will you marry that person or will they not. So there is a lot of confusions. There is a lot of actually you want commitment from someone, but it is not happening right now. So you are wondering whether this person you will marry you, or will you be able to marry them, or someone else is coming. Also, your focus is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces on work. You're busy on working on your health. You're focusing on your health. Three of Swords, yeah, something is making you unhappy. I did felt with this Four of Swords also. Like you are waiting, but this person has hurted you. They are not replying. Also, maybe this person is not committing to you for marriage or for long-term commitment, or they are not ready for a relationship, so you are upset. I also feel that Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, some of you are dealing with a third party. Maybe this person is married, or maybe maybe they have some other person in their lives. Something is, some issues related to marriage and future, and this person is not committing to you. It has hurt you. Let's see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Why this Three of Swords? Five of Wands. I feel you're not also very much focusing on love. You feel a little disappointed in love right now, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are like, you don't know, if you are in a relationship or marriage, there is a lot of fight, there is a lot of arguments. Even if you are single, there is like, you are feeling a little confused. There's a lot of, you're not feeling ready for love. Let's see, Cancer, how is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces feeling? Ten of Wands, yeah, you have a lot of burdens on your mind at the moment. You have a lot on your plate. You are busy, you have to take care of family. You also have to take care of yourself, your health. So there is an extra pressure on you. So that's causing you a lot of thinking right now. Let's see how your person is feeling, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. How is their person feeling for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Okay. Eight of Swords. Yeah, this person is stuck. They are not making a move towards you. They are not calling you. They are not messaging you. I don't know. They might not be open to your ideas or views. The Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Maybe you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. The Fool, the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords. Your person could also be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yeah, see, the Knight of Swords has come out here also. Or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel your person is very much stuck. They are very scared to take action towards you. I also feel this person is focusing on their career. Maybe they have started something new in their career, a new job, or some, a new project. Or maybe I feel like money is a big problem right now for them, so they are focusing on that. But I do feel that this person is not talking to you, they are not communicating with you, they are keeping their distance. They're also maybe very argumentative right now, your person, if you talk with them, they try to argue rather than understand you. It also feels like your person is very much focused on a new start in their life. They want to create something new. What's happening with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person? I also feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. I don't know why, but they are focused on money. They are focused on, money, hard work, career. And Knight of Pentacles. I do feel they want to offer you love. They want to come towards you. They will message you, but they are taking their time. I do feel this person is actually thinking about you. See the Fool. They really want to be with you. They miss you. Look at this puppy. They are like, where is my puppy love? They want to be with you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But this person is focusing on their work, and they are very, very busy at their work. And I also feel they are in a rather strange mood where they want to fight, or if you talk they are a bit argumentative, defensive. So they are not messaging you because they know they will start arguing. Not you, but they. I also feel they want to offer you something substantial, maybe commitment or something. That is why they are taking their time. Right now they are not ready for it, or right now they don't have that much to offer you, so they will message you soon, I feel, but they will take some time. How does this person feel about our viewers? Eight of Wands. Yeah, they want to message you. They're going to message you very soon. They feel very attracted towards you. They also feel like very passionate and possessive about you. They want to take things forward. How does they feel? King of Cups. They love you. Look, this is your energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They love the way you are. They feel you are the absolute person, the perfect person for them. They feel a lot of emotions and passion for you. Although I feel communications are being very strange right now. I want to shuffle them. I don't know why they are jumping like strange. See? Ace of Cups. This person is in love with you. They also feel that you are very kind and loving for this person, even though they are very rude, or sometimes they are very busy, they don't talk well, sometimes they may have hurted you recently, but you kind of overlook and forgive them. So they find you very kind, very loving, and they really like that. Two of Cups. They know you are the one for them. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, your person wants a deep relationship with you. They want love with you. I do feel that even maybe there is a third party. I feel it is work for most of you, for this person. Maybe it is family, money issues. But even if there is someone else, they still love you. Two of Cups. No one can replace you. You are the one for them. What is this person's next move? I feel they might have hurted you recently. They have made you angry or sad. This person. Their next move towards Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This person's next move. The Queen of Swords, they want to communicate with you. And very, very important communications. They will be taking important communications through social media, or through their stories. They might write something on their status, so that is how they are going to communicate. Five of Swords, I think they want to say sorry to you, or they will apologize to you for their past mistakes, or whatever. This Three of Swords, they hurted you, they ghosted you. I do feel they are going to say something or talk or discuss about it, what made them do it, why they did it. Yeah, they want to say sorry to you, they want to fix things. Next move for this person towards our viewers. The Emperor, they will take charge of the situation. They won't let you cry, they won't let you unhappy. No, this person is going to take charge of the situation, and they will fix it and make you smile again. The Tower, my God, Tower is coming so much nowadays. It's really scary. I do feel they will come unexpectedly when you don't expect them. They are going to message you, or they are going to post something on their social media regarding you. They miss you, or they are sorry. They might post some memories or some songs for you or quotes for you. So yeah, this person is going to come unexpectedly and call or message you out of the blue. Let's see, any other thing? Ace of Wands, they are going to really offer you something very passionate. If they are not at all married, or they are just single, this person is going to offer you a new start, a passionate, they are going to really, be very passionate about this restart, this sorry and everything. They are going to be very, very passionate towards you. They will start things again for you. Let's see what else. What's this person's next move? The base chakra, yeah. I do feel this person is a little behaving egoistically right now. They are focusing on themselves. They are also behaving very rude and selfishly. So yeah, they know that. They know that. And there is a power struggle going on right now. They are sorry for that. Their next move towards our viewers, giving and receiving. Yeah, they will come and balance things out with you. I do feel they will say sorry, or they will try to explain, even indirectly, but they will explain. Manifest, yeah, they are trying to manifest you back, because some of you are like, go away, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are like, bye bye, I don't want to stay with this person. They keep fighting, they keep hurting, they don't want to marry me. So they are like, nope, no baby, you can't go. I'm manifesting you. I'm manifesting a reunion. I'm manifesting this apology. I'm going to make your wishes come true. So yeah, they are going to make your wishes come true. Don't worry, something destined will happen in this connection for you. Let's see what else. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What do they need to keep in mind for our viewers? Any advice for our viewers? What does this person wants to say? Whew. Look at that. Truths be told, number 14. So I feel 14, 6, 11, 18, 1 and 11 and 21 are important for some of you. I think this person is going to tell you the truth. They are going to tell you they love you, they want you, they miss you, they have a lot of feelings for you. They were hiding their feelings, they were being very, very bossy, selfish. It was not true. They love you. Look at that. The mask falling off, the truth coming out. They are going to tell you the truth. What is the truth? What is this person going to say? What do they want to say to our viewers? Soulmates. Yeah, your soulmates. They love you. They see your pain. They want to cuddle with you. They want to hug you. They are sorry if they have caused you any heartache. The soul tribe, you are soul family. You both are together no matter what they have done. Nobody can take your place. You and this person are just destined. You are together always. What do they want to say to our viewers? TikTok, they know time is running. They know they need to commit. They know they need to marry. They know they need to make things right. Otherwise, they are losing time. They don't want to waste your time. It was never a waste of time for you. It was love. It is love for them. They are going to fix things definitely. Let's see some advice for our viewers. Any advice for our viewers for this connection? Nothing will come of this situation. Void of course, moon. I feel like, maybe some of you are a little, maybe this person has married, or you are being Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You need to get married because of family or because you want to. So, fighting isn't going to solve anything. I do feel if you are very angry with this person, nothing will come out of anger. Only love can heal. Also, if you are planning for future commitment or expecting a commitment, you might, I don't know, if they are married or you are married, you might, angels, can you clarify? Communication is the key. Fighting isn't going to solve anything, and if you are looking for commitment from this person, maybe they are married or you are married, or you are very soon going to be married. So something you have to forget or move on. You have to let go of something, and communication is the key. You can't fight all the time. You have to find some common grounds. You have to find, to forgive this person or them. They will do something nice for you, but you also need to forgive them. Communication is the key. The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, things are gaining speed. Things will shift quickly. They will come suddenly, message you. Everything will happen all of a sudden. Conclusions are within reach. Yes, things will, your heart will heal, and there will be a peaceful resolution in this situation. So don't worry. Stay positive and don't try to fight, or don't try to argue, or don't try to be like, oh, this person is like, ooh. Finances and career, definitely their career is a big issue. It's a big mess for them right now. Their career, their finances, they are choosing that, but that does not mean they don't love you. Or maybe you have to choose your finances and career right now. Free yourself. Yeah, for some of you, you might leave this situation because you want marriage and they can't right now, or they need some more time. I also feel you should not keep on fighting. It's not good, especially in this time when we all need to be positive. This constant fighting, bickering is not going to help. So that's it for you for now. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe, like, so you can win a free reading. And this is Mystic C saying bye.